the EVC speaking, I want you to reassure Nigerians about the safety of this 5G. And there is concern of a particular high-risk, extremely damaging malware called Flubot. So maybe you can explain on that so that Nigerians will be assured that, their safety is guaranteed. So, and also, I know you've been doing a lot of work on combating cyber crimes. So maybe you can just take a chip on that so that at least the public is aware while we are doing this budget defense. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Recently, not more than a month ago, the Commission unveiled its computer incidents response team, which is a sectoral protection, for cyber attacks, against telecommunication networks. We're very, very proud to bring this information to the knowledge of the public that the telecommunication networks, all over the country are secure from cyber attacks, in addition to the NGSAT, the Nigeria Computer Emergency Response Team, domiciled in the Office of the National Security Advisor, which provides protection on a global scale, to all such networks. But there is an offshoot of that policy, that cybersecurity policy, which says every sector of the economy, including telecommunications, must set up their own computer incidents response team. And I think the Honorable Chair, as well as the co-chair, were at the launching, of our CSAT, in Wuse, and clearly we saw how, we are busy securing the telecommunications network from cyber attacks. And this effort is going to be intensified in order to ensure the confidence of Nigerians to patronize, telecommunication services free from, cyber attacks. We are going to intensify this important facility that we have commissioned, by bringing in additional things that will secure the telecommunications network. As for the concerns, by Nigerians about 5G, we share these concerns. And we went to great lengths to explain that whereas these concerns, are justified, but really the facts on the ground, do not really lend credence to these concerns. One, we have tried to sensitize Nigerians about the safety of the network, of the technology itself, the 5G technology. We have sensitized Nigerians even about the spectrum. The 5G spectrum is non-ionizing. This is a statement, a categorical statement made by the International Commission for Non-Ionizing Radiation Protection, where they say the 5G spectrum, the very one we're about to auction, is perfectly safe. It is not harmful to human beings, and there is no evidence whatsoever, no medical evidence, from the World Health Organization indicating any correlation between this spectrum and the health of citizens, using this service. This has been debunked at several fora by the World Health Organizations. The NCC has joined at the national level to sensitize Nigerians and disabuse their minds about such concerns, even though justified. But we have tried to sensitize them, to show them that there is no any credible evidence, that indicates any correlation between the spectrum we are using for 5G services, as well as the health of citizens who will be, using those services. And we will continue to engage the citizens, more in order to sensitize them and finally get their buy-in, to embrace this new technology, because it is good for the country. It is good for the economy. It is good for our social transformation. Thank you very much.